How to download and install Reddit on your device. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To download Reddit on your device, open it Google Play Store or App Store. Here, as I am using Android device, I'll open Google Play Store. Now here, on bottom of your screen, you can see different navigation options. So tap on this search icon. Again, tap on this search box located on top of your screen. Now simply type Reddit and then search for it. Now here on top of your screen you will see Reddit, so simply tap on it. Again tap on this install button. Now simply wait for a few minutes and Reddit app will be successfully installed on your device. Now after installing it, simply tap on open. And here you can see I have successfully installed Reddit on my device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.